southeastern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, Perry County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Meade County in central Kentucky, northeastern Hancock County in central Kentucky, northwestern Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, until 9:30 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. At 8:48 p.m. or 7:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tell City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tell City, Mount Pleasant, Webster, Lewisport, Candleton, Leopold, Troy, Alton, New Amsterdam, and Roberta. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Perry, Indiana, and Hancock, Kentucky. Taking a look at your 7